by chance trying to replace your DevaCurl products, but you have no idea what kind of product you should start using now because you have relied on DevaCurl forever? Because if so, then this video is meant exactly for you. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you keep on watching till the very end. Last week I did a video over why you should probably stop using DevaCurl, and if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you check that one out after this one. But I told you all in that video I would share with you the curly hair product line that has completely like saved my hair big time ever since I started going natural. And that line is the Rene Furterer line. I love this stuff. And before we continue, this is not sponsored at all. I genuinely love these products. And when I started going natural, I tried all the natural hair most talked about products, and none of them really worked on my hair. And then I came across these Rene Furterer products and completely fell in love with them. And I don't even know why we don't hear more about them, because literally, guys, they have saved my curls. I do want to mention they are free of sulfates, parabens, dyes, glutens, phthalates, propylene glycol. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but free of all that stuff that we don't want to put in our curly hair. Also, I do want to say one of the great pros of this product line is they focus on infusing these products with coconut oil, and my hair loves coconut oil. I have very dry hair, and it sucks any and all moisture that I put in it. And I will mention this like a million times throughout this video. I have very dry hair. And coconut oil does such a great job of moisturizing my hair, which is why I think this line has worked so well for me, because it has a lot of coconut oils in the product. So if you struggle with having really dry hair, I would definitely recommend this product. Okay, so I am going to start off by talking about their shampoo. And I absolutely love this stuff. A lot of times I experience shampoos just kind of like stripping the natural oils out of my hair, and it just made a mess to try to detangle. But the great thing about this particular shampoo is I feel like it's still cleansing my hair. However, it's not just like completely stripping all the oils out of my hair. I've only used the no poo shampoo like a couple times, and I know that a lot of people liked the no poo DevaCurl shampoo because they didn't feel like it was stripping the natural oil out of their hair, and it was easier to detangle their hair even after using the no poo. However, I know that has been causing a lot of people to lose their hairs and a whole bunch of scalp problems because it wasn't cleansing their scalp enough. But this stuff, like, I have never had problems with it, and I still feel like my scalp is getting a lot of cleansing. Okay, so now on to their conditioners, and they have a conditioner that goes with this line. It's called Coconut Water Hydrating Conditioner, and I've used it before. I'll insert a picture of it up here. And I liked it, but I have really tight curls that tend to get tangled up like crazy, and it doesn't really matter what conditioner I use, like it's going to be really hard to detangle my hair. So I actually just use their leave-in conditioner, and I use it as a regular and as a leave-in conditioner. So what I mean by that is, instead of using their regular conditioner, I just use this conditioner and detangle my hair with it, because it works so much better to detangle with this conditioner than the regular conditioners. I don't really think there's anything wrong with using a leave-in conditioner as a regular conditioner. And if you want me to do like a detailed wash day routine for you guys, I can do that. But again, I don't use their regular conditioner. It works fine, but with my hair, it just It takes forever to detangle, and the leave-in conditioner does a much better job in detangling my hair than the regular conditioner. Okay, so before I go on, I do want to let you know how much these products cost, because I'm sure you're probably wondering. So I spend about anywhere from $8 to $10 on each of these bottles, depending on where I get it. But I usually get mine from Amazon, and they are about $8 on Amazon. The deep treatment mask is a little bit more expensive, I think $11. They last me about 6 months. It depends. I go through more of the leave-in conditioner just because I have to use a lot of it to detangle my hair, but they last me quite a bit, and you can find these products at some Targets, Walmart. TJ Maxx also carries them, and they're like $5 there, so very, very, very affordable, especially compared to the DevaCurl products. And also, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you are notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about their coconut cream deep treatment mask. And oh my gosh, guys, I love this stuff. Like, without this thing right here, I have no idea where my curls would be right now. I know that sounds really dramatic, but like I said already, I have such dry hair that just sucks in every and any moisture I put into it, and I use this once a week, and it is so amazing. I love it so much. It has completely saved my hair. I love it. I wish you guys could smell this through the screen because it smells so good. And also, if you want me to do a detailed video on my deep conditioning treatment that I do, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do that for you, but this is the main product that I use when I do my deep conditioning treatment, and it's the best. I love it so much. Okay, so now we are going to talk about their styling products. These are the two that I use. This one is a coconut cream curling jelly styling gel. Wow, that was a mouthful. And this is what it looks like. And then this is their coconut cream curl defining cream, and this is what it looks like. And I'll kind of show you what the products look like. This is what the cream looks like. It feels a lot like their deep conditioning mask. I don't know if you can see that. And then their gel. I really like their gel because it doesn't make my hair feel as dry as most gel products do. And I use both of the products together, and you don't have to do that. Most people actually choose one or the other. If you are looking for definition and hold, you're definitely going to want to use the cream. But if you struggle with your hair drying out super easily when you use any kind of gel products, then you are going to want to use just the cream. And the reason that I use both of them combined is because I do want that hold, and I want the definition that the gel gives me, but I also don't like how dry my hair feels when I use only the gel. So I combine both the gel and the cream together, and I have the best of both worlds. Okay, so say that you do want to try one of their products. I wouldn't go out and just buy all of the products that I just mentioned. If I were you, what I would do is just invest in one of their products. So maybe you want to try their leave-in conditioner. So go ahead, buy their conditioner, and then if that works best for you, then go ahead and invest in the rest of the products. And honestly, that's my biggest advice to anyone that is going through their natural hair journey. It can be really expensive to try to figure out what product to use, and you don't want to buy a whole bunch of products and have to throw them away because they don't work in your hair. So just choose one thing from that line and figure out if that works best for you before you invest more money in buying all of the products from that line. And then also, say you do try this particular line from Rene Furterer and it doesn't work for you, then there are other alternatives. They actually have several different lines within the company, and let me grab my laptop and read this for you all. They do have plant-based collections. They have their advanced, they have dry shampoo, they have their originals, and they also have a cleansing conditioner line. And then the line that I love is the professionals. So maybe the professionals aren't going to work for you, then go ahead and try their plant-based line or their advanced line. So just try to figure out what works best for your hair. And then one last thing is I wanted to read you all their little mission statement that they have in the back of their bottles. I just think, I don't know, I've read up on this company a lot, and they just seem like they really stand for like such pure, genuine causes. And I don't know, I just really love brands that really take the time to care and come up with products that are going to be true help to the consumers. And this is what it reads: we're a family just like yours, concerned about the environment and chemicals we are exposed to. That is why for over 30 years our family has been creating beauty products with carefully chosen ingredients, never skimping on quality. We just make great formulas for our family and yours. And I don't know about you, but that is a kind of brand that I like to support. And yeah, I have really loved this company a lot, and it's just helped a lot. It has helped me a lot in my curly hair journey, so I would 10 out of 10 recommend this product line. Now, with all that being said, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else that is also trying to figure out what in the world to use now that they can't use DevaCurl anymore. And if you want to know more about my curly hair routine, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below and let me know. I would love to do more videos for you all. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit the bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, bye.